Meeting a first-time buyer is a big opportunity and a chance to build trust right from the start. A young couple walks in and says they've never bought a new car before. They seem a little nervous and ask questions like, "Is this a good time to buy?" Instead of overwhelming them with too much information, you want to guide them with clear, simple, and reassuring steps. Now, open a chat and try this prompt. Act as a car sales coach. A young couple is buying their first new car. They're nervous and unsure. What 3 key points should I cover to build trust and make them feel confident? In seconds, AI will suggest a roadmap, like explaining the buying process clearly, highlighting ownership benefits, and offering simple financing education. Use AI suggestions to create a customer-first approach that's welcoming, not overwhelming.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.